You'd be surprised how easy it is to replace the battery on this vehicle. But there is a catch. We'll not only show you step by step how to replace the battery, but also cover the dreaded topic of battery registration. But for now, let's access the battery in the boot under the luggage compartment cover. If the battery is too flat to open the boot, you'll have to connect a battery pack to the jumper points in the engine bay. The first step is to disconnect the negative cable. Don't worry, if you're new to this sort of thing, I'll leave some links in the description. There are two retaining brackets we need to remove. Firstly, this one here with two 10mm nuts. And secondly, next to the negative post, this long protruding bolt. This one has a bracket at the bottom, which should come out with a bolt once it's loose. Now unclip this cover on the positive terminal and loosen the nut first. Just a couple of turns to loosen the clamp should be enough. Then we're going to lift this whole junction box with the terminal by unclipping these metal clips. Use the one hand to lift the junction box slightly while pushing the metal clip away from the battery with a screwdriver. Do the same on the other side and it should pop right off. If yours has the grey vent tube connected, just pull it out and remove the battery. Now that you know how to remove it, you might want to watch this next one to install the new battery.